Hello guys, my name is Dr. Shubham Malhotra, and this video I am making, like, if you have passed your foreign medical graduate examination and now you are thinking about what next. So let's start. First of all, congratulations to all of you, those who have cleared this hectic and tiring foreign medical graduate examination. Kudos to all of you. So now I guess you're going to start your internship journey, which will mostly consist of 1 year of training. So the first option that you can take is NEET PG, that is Indian postgraduate examination. It is a competitive exam, and you have to prepare for 6 to 8 months for it. The advantages of giving NEET PG exam is the fees is less, and the duration of the residency is 3 years, and you don't need anything apart from good score in NEET PG exam. And also, if you get selected in a government college, the fee structure will be less, and after that you can start your senior residency and you can earn a good amount of money. The disadvantage is the residency of India is not recognized worldwide. So for example, if you have done your PG, say in internal medicine from India, and you want to practice in US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, it will be very hard for you to work there. So this is the biggest disadvantage that I've seen. And most people, my seniors, where I'm doing my internship, they are doing internal medicine, but right now they are not satisfied, they want to move abroad, so they have to start all over again. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind while selecting NEET PG as an option for you. The second option is PLAB. So PLAB is Professional Linguistic and Assessment Board. This is conducted by General Medical Council UK, and this is to get a license in UK. England is one of the countries in UK, and it consists of 2 steps, PLAB 1, PLAB 2. But before PLAB 1 you need OET or IELTS for your English language proficiency, and after that you can do PLAB 1 and PLAB 2. So now the advantages of PLAB exams are, these are not that much costly. OET will cost you around Indian rupees 35,000, and PLAB 1 will cost you around 27,000 rupees, and PLAB 1 will cost you around 1 lakh rupees. So the whole journey of PLAB 1, PLAB 2, OET, and all the expenses that you are traveling to UK, because the PLAB 2 is conducted in UK, Manchester, it will be around 5 to 6 lakhs. And then you can join residency in UK. The other advantage of doing your residency and work in UK is it's recognized worldwide. So for example, if you have worked 1 year in UK, then you can go to Australia, New Zealand, UAE, and as well as you can come back to India. So this is the advantage of UK. The disadvantage of UK is nowadays the job situation is very highly competitive. It is saturated, so you have to wait for 5 to 6 months, and you need good CV apart from getting good marks in these exams. And so these are the things that you have to keep in mind while preparing for PLAB exam. The third option that you have after foreign medical graduate examination is Australian Medical Council exams, AMC 1, AMC 2. The pathway is very similar to UK PLAB exams, but the AMC exams are a bit expensive. The first exam only will cost you around 2 lakh rupees, and second also will cost you around 2 lakh rupees. The passing percentage of AMC 2 is not that great, so it is quite competitive, or the marking structure that the Australian Medical Council do is a bit strict. So these are the disadvantages of AMC exam. But the advantages of AMC exam is, if you'll get the AMC registration, you will be able to work as a doctor in Australia. The salary is very good. If you are working just after, like as a junior resident or after MBBS, you will be able to earn $7,000 to $8,000 Australian dollars per month. And if you will become a consultant down the line, you will be able to earn 2.5 to 3 lakhs dollar per year. So this is the advantage of doing AMC. The fourth is, of course, the ultimate USMLE exam, United States Medical Licensing Exams. So for this, first of all, you have to give USMLE Step 1, then USMLE Step 2. These both are conducted in India, and then you have to go to do rotations in US for 3 to 4 months, and then you have to apply for residency, or you can say matching in US. The advantage is the salary. The salary is the highest in whole world for doctors in US. The other advantage is worldwide recognition, and also the opportunities that you will get as a doctor. If you are interested in research opportunities, you will get a lot more research opportunities in US. The residency is also worldwide recognized in US. After US, if you want to move to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UAE, and even if you want to come back to India, you can come back. I don't know, maybe, but you must have you should know, like, there are few doctors, those who have came back from USA to India, and now they are doing great, like for example Dr. Naresh Trehan. But the disadvantage of USA is the exam itself is very, very expensive, and the whole journey will cost you around 15 to 20 lakh, and it is time consuming. It will take around 1 to 2 years for you, 2 years at minimum. And but a lot of Indian students, they are not that financially sound, so it is a bit difficult for them. So these are the few things, but I would say from these 4 options, whatever you want to do, think early, but start early, but think big. So for example, even if you want to do USMLE or any other exam, start from internship. Plan your finances, plan your timeline according to your own need. So because most of students, what they will do when their FMG exam is done, they get relaxed, and right, so you should get relaxed, but don't forget that this is not the end. So you have to think also, and you have to plan accordingly. So these are the few options that you can choose from. Thank you. I hope that you like this video. If you like the video, share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.